In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Jira to manage user groups with ease and efficiency. We'll walk you through the process, starting from logging in to viewing group members, ensuring you have all the tools you need to effortlessly manage your Jira environment. First things first, to access your Jira dashboard, you'll need to fire up your preferred web browser. Chrome is a great choice for this task. Once you've got it open, type in your Jira site URL, which will typically look something like yourcompany.atlassian.net. Now, one crucial point to remember is that you'll need admin permissions to proceed, so make sure you're logging in with your admin credentials. This access level will give you the necessary authority to manage users and groups effectively. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the user management section. To get there, look towards the top right corner of your Jira dashboard and find the gear icon. It's usually quite prominent and universally recognized as a symbol for settings or configuration options. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select User Management. This is your gateway to overseeing all the users and groups within your Jira site, a pivotal area for any admin. With the User Management section now open, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Here you'll find various options, but what we're interested in today is the Groups section. Go ahead and click on Groups. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all groups that exist within your Jira instance. These groups play an essential role as they allow you to organize users based on different criteria like roles or project involvement, facilitating smoother collaboration and streamlined workflow management. To delve deeper into the specifics of any group, simply click on its name. By doing this, you'll uncover a detailed view of all the members belonging to that particular group. This not only lets you see who is part of the group, but also allows you to understand the permissions that have been assigned to the group as a whole. This is vital for ensuring that the right people have access to the right features, maintaining both security and efficiency within the platform. And there you have it. You have now successfully navigated through Jira to access and manage your user groups, providing you with a powerful overview of how your team is organized and who has access to what. Remember, efficient group management can greatly enhance team collaboration and productivity. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering Jira's user management capabilities. Keep practicing these steps until you feel entirely comfortable, and don't hesitate to pause and revisit any sections of this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy managing!